Let's look into today's assignment. So what we need to do, we need to first define a list, and the elements will be 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Then we have to find the list, then we have to add 40 to the list, then 60, then we have to add 20, 30, minus 20 and minus 30 all together. Then we have to add 20 at an index 2, then 20 at an index minus 2, then we have to remove the last element, then we have to update 50 to 20 without finding index number manually. Then what we need to do, we need to find how many 20s are there in the list, then we need to reverse the whole list, and then we need to sort the list in decreasing order, and finally we need to find the list. So let's go to Jupyter Notebook and let's solve this question. Okay, so I have opened my Jupyter Notebook and I have copied the question. So let's comment the whole assignment and I'll rename this to list method assignment, right? Okay, so let's move on. So what we need to do, we'll first define our list. Let's say L1A is our list. Let's say A is our list, and 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now let's print A is this. We need to find the length of the list. So we know that it should be 5. Yes, it is 5. Now what we need to do, we need to add 40 to the list. So A dot append and 40. Now let's check A. 40 has been added. Then what's the next step? 60 to the list. A dot append 60, and now let's check A. A is 60, right? Now what we need to do, we need to add 20, 30, minus 20, minus 30 to the list. So what we can do, we can just A dot extend, we can use extend function, and 20, 30, minus 20, minus 30, right? Let's see A. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 40, 60, 20, 30, minus 20, minus 30, right? This was required. Now what we need to do, we need to add 20 at index 2. So basically we need to add 20 over here. A dot what we can add over here, insert and at what index, 2 and 20. Let's go and check A. So 20 has been added. Now what we need to do, we need to add 20 at index minus 2 as well. Now A dot insert. Now what we need to do, we need to insert 20 over here, so minus 20. So for this we will be using minus 1. Now let's go and check A. Yeah, so it has been added at minus 2. If we had provided minus 2 over here, then this 20 would have been added in place of minus 20, and minus 20 would be at this place. So remember, when we have to insert at minus 2 position, then we have to provide minus 1, right? Let's look into the next operation, remove the last element. Okay, so A dot pop will be better. Okay, minus 30 has been removed, and now let's check A. Okay, right. Let's go back. Update 50 to 20 without finding index number manually. 50 to 20, we need to update this 50 to 20. Now A dot index 50 will return 5, right? This is the index. So what I'll do, A dot index 50 and update this to 20, right? Let's go and check A. 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 20, 40, 60, 20, 30, minus 20, minus 30, right? So A has been updated with 20 instead of 50. Now what we need to do, we need to count number of 20s in the list. Okay, so A dot count 20. So these are 5. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Now what's next? What we need to do, we need to reverse the whole list. So A dot reverse. Now let's go and check A. 20 minus 20, last is 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 20, 40, 60, 20, 30, 20. Okay, fine, this is correct. Now what's the next step? We need to sort the list in descending order. Okay, A dot sort and reverse equals to true, right? Let's go and check A. 60, 40, 40, 30, 30, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 10 and minus 20. Right, this is correct. Now what's next? What we need to do, we need to find the length of the list. Length of list is 12 now. Fine. So this is basically the answer to this question. Hope you had already solved it by yourself. If not, try to do it once again and see if you have any issue, if you have any problem, just let me know. Till then, see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.